Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with a how-to video, you guys. You know, I promised you I would sprinkle in some how-to videos. I like to do that so you have a variety of videos to watch. Today I have kind of an exciting video actually. I've been wanting to do this on camera, really. I think this look is very, very sexy, very slick. You know, you can even go from a formal occasion to casual occasion with this hairstyle. So today I'm going to show you how to do a high ponytail, like Ariana Grande style high ponytail, or like slick high ponytail using hair extensions, like a ponytail, pre-made ponytail. So I actually was sent a really nice high ponytail extension. This company, INH, it stands for, I think, insert name here, which is a really fun kind of name actually. I at first didn't think it was their name because it says insert name here. They're very popular on Instagram. I will put their Instagram page here. And they have like these Japanese synthetic hair that handmade in Japan. Some of them, like I think most of them are synthetic hairs, which to be honest, I kind of prefer, because it freaks me out every time when I know that I'm touching someone else's hair and I'm putting it on myself. I know that the natural hair is supposed to be like more natural looking, but you know what? Honestly, you guys, I have it right here. I'll show you in a second. It looks very, very natural, and it actually is easier to manage in my opinion. They also do have natural hair extensions, the high ponytail and all that stuff, but what I have here is a pre-made ponytail that you can use for a very quick and easy high ponytail that is Japanese synthetic hair. It's, I think, handmade in Japan. So yeah, I'll show you guys right now. It's like 1, 2, 3, you guys. You can do this in like 5 minutes. So let's get started. Okay, so this is what it looks like, you guys. It's very, very simple, very easy to install. So I don't know if you guys can see, like, see how smooth and beautiful it is? Like, there's actually a slight little like crimp type thing in there. I don't know if you guys can see what I'm talking about, which I think is very sexy. It actually looks really sexy when you put it on. So yeah, it's very easy to install. You basically put this, you see this little clip thing, like, and you put your natural hair tight up in a ponytail and you stick this in, and then you wrap it around and you take this and you cover the hairband with that, and voila, it's done. So I've got everything I need right here. It's very easy. It's easy as 1, 2, 3, quick 5-minute hairstyle. So let's do this. So I'm going to first pull my hair up into a tight ponytail, and then I'm gonna like hairspray it up and secure it first, and then we're gonna install the hair. So I'm gonna gather my hair up. So you just pull it all up into a tight ponytail. I like to brush it all the way through really, really well. Then I like to use, so I use my brush first, and then I'm going to use this tail comb, which has fine tooth. It's a fine tooth tail comb. You want one of those because you want to pull every little bit of hair up into the ponytail. So the height depends on your taste, you guys. Like, for me, I want to make this a really high ponytail because that's like really what it's all about. So I'm gonna pull the hair really, really high, like about here. So, and I don't really have a mirror in front of me, you guys. I'm just kind of like eyeballing this. So yeah, here's the hairband. So there it is. So I'm gonna put my hairband and I'm gonna secure my ponytail. I want to make sure I go 3 times around so it's nice and tight there and it doesn't move. So that's my natural hair high ponytail, really. And now we're going to use the extensions. Later I'm going to gather all these baby hairs and I'm going to hairspray them into place. I'm not going to worry about that right now. Then I'm going to take the pony. I'm going to brush it nicely. And take this little thing right there, go around, stick that right here, and then I'm going to take this Velcro pot and I'm going to go take it around the ponytail. And now the Velcro is secured. And now I'm going to take this piece and I'm going to go around, wrap it around the hairband to cover the hairband and the Velcro. And now I'm going to put some bobby pins in to secure. So that's it, you guys. Now I just have to spray my hair with hairspray and make sure that all these little baby hairs are secure and that they're not gonna like stick out and ruin the look. Same with under here. Just make sure all that is done. I will try to take a picture and insert it so that you can see what it looks like in the daylight. So now that's what it looks like. Now for the last step, you guys, I want to go around my hairline and fill in any kind of gaps that I have in my hairline. I'm going to use a powder. This is called the Wow powder. I got it from like Sephora, so it's like a powder to fill in like any gaps in your hairline. So this is like the darker color for my hair color. So you go around and make sure to use this kind of natural powder to sort of fill in gaps in your hairline so you don't look bald, you know, on the side, which is natural actually. If everybody has like gaps in hairline, it's not a big deal, but it makes the look really whole when you fill in any gaps with a powder like this. I like to use the powder over like any other product because it just looks a little bit more natural. Doesn't make you look. So this is the side without, and this is the side with the gaps filled. So I mean it looks good even without filling in gaps. I really actually don't have that many gaps. I have nice baby hairs covering any potential spot that could have been like a bald spot. Like I actually don't have that much of like open bald spot looking things, but I'm still gonna do this just to show you guys this step. Anyone who likes a more filled in hairline can do this step. So yeah, that's it, you guys. Oh, it came out really nice. I love this like slick ponytail. I mean, how long did it take me? Like 5 minutes. You know what I mean? You can just do something like this in just 5 minutes with such easy hair extensions. So say that you want to look really fabulous but your hair is such a mess that day. You don't want to blow dry your hair. You don't want to have to like sit there and curl your hair. So what you do is you take your 4-day dirty hair and you put it in a slick ponytail. 1, 2, 3, you put the slick ponytail around it. You stick it in, you wrap the thing around, you clip, voila, you're done. 1, 2, 3, 5 minutes. 5 minutes, you're out the door with a very fabulous looking hairstyle. You know what I mean? Now I'm gonna do like a 360 for you guys to take a look all around, okay? I just want to do this with this, you know? Wow, it looks really cool. You know, 5 minutes, 1, 2, 3, done. It took me 5 minutes to do this super sexy, slick, high ponytail, Ariana Grande style. 5 minutes and done, and it looks totally put together. Like I took hours getting ready, you know what I mean? So like I said, you guys, it is high quality Japanese vegan synthetic hair. You guys, you don't have to be wearing somebody else's hair. To me, it's a little, it freaks me out a little bit. It's a little gross. I know it's washed and stuff, but you know, anyway, this looks so natural. It looks just like hair, you guys, and I know that I'm not wearing anybody else's hair, and it looks really, really beautiful, very put together. So the style of the ponytail is Mia Extra Long Pony, I think. I will list and link it down there in the description box. You guys check the description box for the exact name and everything. I'll put the link there for you guys. Yeah, you guys, I'm really, really happy with this hair. This, by the way, was the first time I installed like hair extensions, like a pony like this. 1, 2, 3. I didn't need any instructions. So easy. Anybody can do it. So now I can wear it on a hot date with my husband. I can do my sexy slick ponytail, wear a short figure hugging dress, and wear my Christian Louboutins, and I can strut down in the arm of my husband. You know what I mean? It's like I said, it goes from sexy to formal, you guys. Like if you lower it a little bit, you can even wear it to like something formal. Like you look put together. You can go wear it with like a suit. You can look put together and formal, or you can actually wear it with a short dress and put it a little higher and totally look like a sexy vixen. You know what I mean? Well, I hope this was helpful to you guys. I want to do more of these how-to videos, which I know is very helpful to everyone, especially busy moms like us, you guys. Even if you aren't a mom, you know, we all have busy lives. We don't have 30 minutes to fiddle with hair every morning before work or before we go out or whatever. It's just too much time to take. I hope you enjoyed this video. It was helpful to you. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Ring that notification bell so you will be notified every time I upload something helpful like this, you guys. I will see you in my next video. So I just wanted to quickly come on camera to let you guys know my husband was really happy with this hairstyle. Let's just put it that way. He thinks I look super, super sexy. And he's like, wow, it took you only 5 minutes. Wow, you look hot. And yeah, so, you know, it's husband approved.